Mina nginikezwe i-command ne-directive yokuthi ngishare engingakwazi ukukushare in regards to what I am sharing. Mina, I'm also learning to the things I'm sharing with you. I'm not the master, I'm still on the learning curve. Angazi konke. Nami I'm still learning. And nami ngumuntu, kumele ukuthi ukwazi lokho. Because what is happening, ungaba kuba naive and silly ukuthi ithi i-television yona inesithombe ekwazi ukusiproducer kuyona ngaphakathi sidlalo, kuba naive lokho ngoba i-television ayikho into eyidlalayo kuyona, yona iyini amplitude modulator, AM ne amplitude modulator ayisuki kuyona leyo nto uma soyiqaqe nje akho sithombe silapha phakathi, yabo. So ke lezi zinto engiyikhulumayo mina la akuzona izinto ezisuka kimi lezo, yabo. So nami I'm just like you nje, it just that it happened ukuthi I'm the one o decoder lezo zinto bese eyazidlulisa, yabo. Lokho futhi kodwa akusho ukuthi I'm not liable for what I am saying. I'm liable because I am the medium through which that message is being cascaded. So I cannot say I'm not liable for that because angikwazi ukuqhamuka somewhere else ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngizana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Uma ngabe kuukuthi umuntu owenza kahle, umuntu onikeziwe into ezithile, kuhloniphe lokho, akuzona ezakho lezo zinto. Kuhloniphe lokho. Yabona yonke into mfowethu akudingi ukuthi kuzokuba ukuthi mhlambe uvelele unama followers amaningi. Into eziningi that are going right to the extent yokuthi you even upload yourself ukuthi ngacabanga ngokwenza lento. Le nto leyo ayisuki kuwena. You should always be grateful to your higher power. Ngokuthi ungayi-betray, ngoba khona abantu abacabanga ukuthi lento ingabo sebeyikhomba kubona. Lento i-cascaded through you, ayikho ngawe kodwa. At the same time wena uyi-manager yayo, i-advantage ukuthi uwe onikezwe lento. Lento ifana nokuthi I'm going to give you something, ngithi mina wena uyili-counselor, wena umanager izinto zalo mphakathi, wena oyi-manager la, yabo. Wena o-accounting officer la. Into eyenzakalayo lapho because wena uzoba ne-advantage vele wena. For the mere fact ukuthi wena in charge uzoba ne-advantage vele, yabo. So that's the thing. But lokho kukuba short sighted and being myopic ukuthi uthi wena yonke into kuwena. Alikho ikhansela engangitshela ukuthi likhona into eqhamuka kulona in terms of ilona elakhe imigaqo, ilona elenza 1 no 2 no 3. Lo mali cha iyafandwa, kuthiwa nayi imali kamasipala, me funded, me hamba kwenza idi umphathiswa. Yes, sisebenza kanjalo ke, yabo. Nami ngumphathiswa. Let me speak on my behalf for myself. Ngumphathiswa ophathisiwe lezi zinto lezi ayiphathisiwe ukuthi akhuluma. And me, because umuntu nomuntu, there's a higher power, there's a higher self, there's a lower self. So the lower self is constantly learning to a higher self within me, yabo. So I'm not a overman or a superman. I'm still learning into engisho, yabo. Because sometimes something can come out and I wonder ukuthi ayibo lento ikhama kanjani, and I'm so fascinated, ayibo. I can speak such things. It's because ukuzongakhulumi mina. And sometimes I have to sit down after a video and say, what is this one saying? And then I listen. Okay, it makes sense. And I analyze what I was saying. Does it make sense? And I found out, oh, this guy is making sense. Yeah, it is. Yabo. But lower self isuke izoba khona phela ithi hayi akona lokho la bekusamele ngabe wenze your due diligence. I know kumele ngikwazi nokuhlukanisa, oh, this is a lower self. I lower self ine fear, ine judgment, nayo yonke into le engenza ngibe small and boxed, of which those are two forces that are operating within you. The higher self say expand your potentials. break the boundaries. Ilower self ithi mase sekwenzeka ukuthi mase sekwenza unayo information, are you prepared, bese uyithola usubuye analysis paralysis. Yayizwa lonto. Nako kunye ngizokutshela kona, you will never ever understand and know your journey njengoba wazi incwadi nokwazi indlela yakini. No, ngeke uzokwenzeke lokho. You can never know your destiny. You can never know your fate. Ngeke uzoyazi understand njengoba usuku understand the future ne past. No, the only thing you can understand is how to listen to the higher power. Ikhuluma kanjani nawe? Because what you want is to be guided to fulfill the purpose. It's not to know the actual purpose, because you never know. You don't even know. You don't know anything. You are not going to be given with me. This is how you are going to do this thing. No, you are not going to be given. You are going to be given a blueprint, not the whole thing. Yeah, I'm on the correct journey, because you will feel yourself. I'm fulfilled. Yes, I'm fulfilled and I'm satisfied the way I live life. Even though I will never know, okay, from now, where to, in 2 years to come, in 3 years to come, I can only vision and imagine, this is what I want, but that is what they say, you plan and then God decides. It's better to have a plan, so that you are not going to deviate and hit on everything. Une upper hand, creator, in a upper hand, when I do your best, I will do the rest. When I do your best, this is what I want, and this is how I am planning to achieve that. Because if you don't know what is your target, you'll keep on hitting on everything. You'll hit on everything because you don't know what you want to hit. So, says from this thing which you want to know what you are here for, to know when you want the guidance to make the correct decisions that align with what we are here to do. Thina masuke sikwenzela human design chart reading. Ngiyazekutshela ukuthi thina this is the position, this is the profession that we are here to fulfill. We are here to be a motivational speaker. Noma we are here to be a teacher. No, we are going to give you some sort of in I don't know what I can call it, but an idea of how to live in accordance with what you are here to do. How to live in accordance to what you are here to. When I will keep on unveiling, peeling all these layers as you go. Oh wow, okay. You are constantly guided while uhamba endleleni ukuthi I'm on the correct journey. I'm on the correct path. Yes, I can feel that I'm on the correct path. But I do not know where I'm going. That's the thing, and it's very interesting. Otherwise, it would have been boring. Let me tell you, it would have been boring. Me telling you, okay, when next year, uzobe iphoyisa, usimakuqeda ube iphoyisa, bese uvula i-gymnasium. Mawuqeda uvula i-gymnasium nje 2 weeks uyivulile, kuzoba nesimo sento ukuthi nokuthi it would be very boring, because now you know ukuthi okay, this is what's going to happen. It's not even interesting. But what you need to be guided. Take decisions that aligns with your journey, that aligns with your destiny, even though you don't know and understand what is it actually. But the process itself is fulfilling. That's what you need to seek. I want to be on the correct path, even though I don't know where it leads to. The decision that you are going to take, how you make decisions. That is why the core foundation and basis of human design is how to take decisions as yourself that aligns with you, because it's not a matter of the mind, it's a matter of this thing does not feel right, this thing does not suit, and I don't feel right about this, even though it makes sense on paper, but at least to me no, I don't feel it. Learn to listen to those things, those intuitions, those guards. The higher power when it speaks to you, rather than listening to your mind, fooling you. Once you start this, you are going to receive this one. You are always calculative. That's not how you are going to fulfill your purpose. Be guided and take decisions authentically. Don't compromise and don't have fake humility as well.